We are at Camp Helen State Park today. We're going to do another trail today. I think it's about a mile, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, so we're just getting started, and so far this is very cute. Might be my favorite so far of the 3 places we've come. Bunch of cute little, like, I guess cabins. I don't really know if you can see everyone. I just love these trees. You can see them with the moss hanging down them. I wish they had them in Arkansas, but they do not. There's some water right here. What is over there? I want to see.
Oh, look, guys.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Come on, people.
Oh, I don't know. I really wish Arkansas had those trees, though. I don't know. That's what the sign said.
That's so weird.
Rainbow cottages? Oh, okay. And then I guess that's what these are.
Wow. I want to go on.
You found a seashell. We love that. Oh, wow, you found a bunch of them. You're not going to be able to carry all those.
I want to.
Oh, I'm sure you do. Alright, let's walk over here to Gigi.
So why we go to the beach?
It did say we would go to the beach. So, it's only 1.2 miles.
Unless we get lost.
Well, yes. Which, the chances are high, knowing us. This walkway is nice, though. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like a tarp put down on the sand to make it easy to walk.
That's where I told you y'all should come.
Your phone.
Caliber.
Right here? This little swampy area?
Get a pine cone and throw it at it.
Yeah, it's pretty much swamp on either side of us, but welcome to Florida!
No, this is a lake.
Oh, you're right. But yeah, you can't tell me. Oh yeah, look at that.
Run.
You're not wrong.
Run in a zigzag.
That's not the first one we've seen, though.
What?
I don't know if you guys can see it right there, but I mean, I'm no expert, but pretty sure that's a path for the gators around here to be chilling. So it's the second one we've seen so far, and we're only, I don't even think we're a quarter of the way in.
It's actually an alligator crossing, but it looks like it.
It may not be. Did y'all see all these berries? Oh my gosh. Look at these berries with these.
There's my tea berries.
Okay, they're not spikes, but
Pockets. Are they still poisonous?
I don't know.
I just Googled them and it said
Something, yeah. Native Americans use them.
They're poisonous.
You think they're poisonous?
They're poisonous.
I don't know if those are.
They're all poisonous.
You think so?
Yeah.
So it looks like we're headed to the beach first, and then on the way back, it'll be under the canopy trail, which I guess is like more in the woods here. I don't know. So.
You going to the beach, Gigi?
Yes. Yeah.
You going to the beach, Gigi? You're being silly.
Oh yeah. That bench is awfully high.
This is the highest I've ever. You need a ladder to get up there.
You already? I don't know. Are we close to a military base? I don't think we are. I think it's the other way.
It's in Panama City.
Oh. I gotcha. Alright, now we're on the sandy path. So, this is pretty. Alright, continuing on. Rollo's happy because he's got sand to play with. Wow, you are making a trail. That's awesome, dude. Alright. We're on the canopy trail now, y'all.
Follow the trail. You're still gonna walk.
Yeah. Don't want to get lost.
Yeah.
Don't want that.
Make a little circle so you can walk.
Yeah.
Be careful. And people just
Pretty.
walk. There's one little piece.
Oh, it's that moss stuff. Yeah.
Hey, Jenny!
Keep going.
Uh-oh, my stick.
It's alright, you can find a new stick.
Okay. I'll put the other one away.
Okay, find a new one.
Okay. You give me eye on him, and so you see stick.
It looks like a board there, like maybe the sign fell down.
Maybe.
What is that?
Oh, that's cute.
Hey, Sandy! Sandy, come up!
That's so random.
It's a little bird up there.
Little sign.
These small sea trees.
Alright, we're getting up under the trees. My favorite trees. There we go. What is that? Oh, it's talking about those.
Plants.
Yeah.
It's got mushroom on it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Good call.
I can't reach that one. I saw mushroom.
I don't know if you guys can tell, but that tree is going through the middle of that other one. It's kind of crazy looking. Nature's a crazy thing. I'm coming.
That'd be nasty. Oh no.
What?
Rattlesnake.
I'd rather not see rattlesnake.
I don't want a
See
snake.
a rattlesnake than a pygmy.
I don't want
Than
a
a bobcat. Sorry.
A pygmy
It
what?
could be one
A
way.
pygmy is rattlesnake.
No, thank
It
you.
could be one way.
Oh.
Well, it could be one way. Do you want? It's a bullcat.
Well, you can't run from a cat because then they'll jump. Oh, look. Oh, look at that.
What is those?
Those are mushrooms, I think. That's so silly. That's awesome, dude. Found some bears. I love that for you. And we pretty much made it back to our starting
They
point.
can run up to 30 miles per hour.
Yep, that's why you don't want to run, because they'll outrun you.
If you see a bear, it's gonna be a black bunny. You just have to be really loud and obnoxious and
Yeah,
make yourself bigger.
pretty much. Hey, look, that's their average paw size, though.
Well, I can't make it
It's a
bigger.
big sign with facts on it.
Maybe that makes you look bigger.
I can't.
So this felt like the shortest hike that we've done, but maybe one of the prettiest
Mama, there's water.
ones we've done. Yeah, there's water over there, buddy. So,
I thought
this one though. It's
Should.
good. You think so? There's some water right here, Rolo.
Yeah. Oh, there could be other fun in there. Everything's wet. Everything's wet.
Oh, there's a squirrel over there, Rolo.
Squirrel!
It's okay, they don't care. It's kind of a fat one. It's alright. He's back there in a tree. Alright, we wrapped up our hike. We're about to head out, but I want to show y'all this. I think it's a water tower. Looks like it. Let's see if I can get it on. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's exactly what it is. It is a water tower. Very cool. Alright guys, so that wraps up all 3 hikes that I did this week in Northwest Florida. If you're ever in the area, you should check them out. They're all easy hikes. Very short, really just like little nature walks. Thanks for tuning in. Keep an eye out for next week. I'll probably have some more adventures from Florida. Be sure to subscribe, and also you can follow us on Instagram. It's Loadout Lounge. You can also join our private Facebook group. It's EDC Loadout Lounge. The private group is more based around our EDC content. So, yeah, you guys can connect with us there, and have a great weekend. Bye, guys.